I often prepare this stir-fried chicken and vegetables dish. It is easy and quick to make. It is also delicious and balanced. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by soaking 10 grams of wood deer mushrooms for 1 hour. Cut 1 piece of chicken breast in 2 slices. Put them in a bowl. Add 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Mix and let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut into chunks 3 Chinese cabbage leaves, 100 grams of Paris mushrooms, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 5 grams of cilantro. Remove the foot of wood deer mushrooms, then cut them into chunks. Chop 1 garlic clove. Grate some ginger to get 1/2 teaspoon. Preheat the pan on high heat for 30 seconds. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the chopped garlic and ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Spread them in the pan. Let them brown 30 seconds. Flip them and leave another 30 seconds. Add the onion and the carrot. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the wood deer mushrooms, the Chinese cabbage, the Paris mushrooms, a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of seasoning oil. Stir for 15 seconds. Cut the fire. Serve a stir-fried chicken and vegetables with jasmine rice. Sprinkle with cilantro. Bon appétit! This dish is typical of Chinese family cooking. In a few minutes, stir-fried vegetables and meats are ready. The fire and the sauces bring delicious flavors, and the taste of each ingredient is still present. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.